How to make heavy cream without butter. Heavy cream can be made without using butter. The methods provided here use milk to make heavy cream. The cream needs to be consumed immediately. Method 1. Make heavy cream with milk. 1. Buy a carton of non-homogenized or raw milk. Multiply 9 times the amount of heavy cream you need. 2. Put the milk in the refrigerator for 12-24 hours. 3. Check after the time has elapsed. The cream should be on top of the milk. Skim the cream away in another container. You can do anything with the milk after you take away the cream. 4. Whisk the cream on low speed. Slowly, whisk faster. Method 2. Heavy whipping cream. 1. Buy at least 2 cups of raw milk. 2. Pour raw milk in a 13 by 9-inch baking pan. 3. Refrigerate for 24 hours. 4. Skim away the cream on top of the milk to a separate container. 5. Pour cream in pint jar and refrigerate for 24-48 hours more. 6. Chill bowl and whisk attachment of mixer for 15 minutes. 7. Put 1 cup of cream in the chilled bowl. Mix on low speed. 8. Slowly, mix faster until it is on high speed. 9. Whisk 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat until stiff peaks remain standing up. Warnings. If you follow the heavy whipping cream method, use it immediately. Things. Containers. 13 by 9-inch baking pan. Spoon. Bowl. Mixer.